Buyers don't want to imagine renovations anymore, they want to see them. And agents get always the same question, how would this house look renovated? So we built this in Pedra. Now you can create your virtual tour, as you always could with Pedra, and then you have the option to renovate the virtual tour. In this way, people can actually navigate throughout the virtual tour as if it had been already renovated. It's amazing because you basically get to show them how the experience of living there would feel like without having to actually invest on a very expensive renovation or having to outsource renovation of the virtual tour. In Pedra, it's super simple. You basically just need to head to Pedra and create your virtual tour. And once you have the virtual tour, you just select the sample photos that you have and you click all of them and you click on Edit with AI. And Renovate, you pick the style you want and the space type, and it will renovate the pictures for you, okay? And once you have the renovated pictures, they are automatically linked to your virtual tour. So when you click play, you will actually see a button at the bottom, for example, in this bathroom, and you click on it and it shows the space renovated, okay? In this case, with this Mediterranean style. You can basically pick any style you like because you have the ability to upload your own style references to renovate the tour. And then if we switch to the living room, you can see it with the Mediterranean style first, but then if you want to switch to another style, you just click again on the Renovate button and it will show, for example, this modern/minimalist style. And that's it. This is perfect for houses that need a renovation or houses that are still under construction. And this will wow your owners, but also wow the people that might want to buy this property. Because you stop selling potential with words, you start selling visually and in an almost live experience. If you're already creating virtual tours, this is the expected upgrade that your owners and buyers are looking for. Try it for free at pedra.ai.